since we speak Norwegian and we know the culture, Norway should.
Very long day. Day number 5. And more neighbors are coming with the furniture. So this is a special present for now. How are you doing? Fine. This is a special present for you. Voila! Coming! Massage krāsas arodas. So the toilet, the hardest part. So we have more and more furniture. So I think 2 more days and we will have to stop it because of course this I think is very good fitting to this one. So we got sofa. Oh, look at this oak. Siv, thank you. And this is made by Siv's father. It's all one-piece wood, Norwegian landscape. I think this is a water, fjord, rocks. And then we have some paintings, but okay. Sofas, chairs. We have made a table. We cannot see how good it is. This is a Latvian oaks. This is what we make all the furniture out. Very massive, very solid. This we made out of something what we found here in a forest. 1/2 of a table legs. Let's go out. I want to show you something. So this is a massage chair. I wanted to show you something. So this is handmade. It fits very well to LABIE KOKI Red. I think this is a very nice piece of history. So I will take care of it. Again, thank you, Siv. This was made for Siv. Very nice. And why Norwegians are so good in sports, winter sports? This why. So they were making, you can just guess what it was made for. It was ice skating. So if you can ice skate with this, with the real stuff, you can be a champion. You can get gold. I think this we will have in a interior. This is what Norway is all about. Pēter, slabo tev ar šitādām pārslidot pāri fjordam, paskaties. Tikai neizmet, šitais ir goda vietā mums, virtuvē. And we have one red ball. Norwegian thinks that this is Norwegian red. This is LABIE KOKI Red. Yes, this will be a very nice little red cabin. Day number 6, we are painting. So blue room will be blue, so not so bad, but come. I will show you what's a great moment of this day. So this we are furnishing, taking off the paint. There's some Norwegian carpenters been working nicely done. And this curve, we clean it. Furu. So, but let me show you. So, we've been shopping, and we will have to stop it because this is the way we've been shopping. So we bought about 8 cubic meters of furniture, and this was by success. Thank you to Erling, our neighbor. He called me yesterday, said there is a house which is going to be taken down. So we have a couple of hours. Who first comes can take it. We were not first, but we were quite good. Not small pieces, but we had a truck, so we go to get furniture, sofas, even a water heater. So day number 7, everybody's a little bit tired. No, Anna? Yes. We'll finish this evening, oiling, and then home. That's gonna be late. So I have pretty much furniture today. This is, I'm not clean enough, but this is one of few pieces we have paid, but it's used, so it was not too expensive, about 30 euros. I think this is a nice one. Look at this. Oh. Legs come out. Of course, some more, as this one was also used before. Very nice to sit in. So this is a place where we plan to have doors, the ones we found today. Neighbor house that's going down. Artist is finishing last dirty jobs here inside. But what I want to show you is, this is finished. This is Osmo oil. Very nice, a little bit whitish pine guts. So artists have made this piece of our new furniture of our kitchen. This is already oiled. We have already some furniture. Where is our plates? No plates? Yes, we have all kind of second-hand cups. I think this is a nice design. My wife bought them. Elena, good. Here is still some job to do. Maybe tomorrow? Yeah. Yes, tomorrow. So doors are clean. This is new. We have a clean doors. Very good. But I couldn't find a Ferrari red paint. No Ferrari red paint so far found. But house is clean, Petri? Yes. All house is clean. This is party time. Only painting is left. Only. Let's see what we have done. Today is really, we are slowly going back. Montax has done a great job. Look at the first wall. First wall of our team, going back, not only taking down. Very nice, Gunther. Good, good. So all the other is kind of fixed. Of course, we could take it all off, but this was not the idea. So what we have done, we have put many small pieces like this. So this is new, 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 and inside there was all rotten, as you remember. So all of this is 10 by 10 impregnated pine wood is there. So it's clean. Now we will paint it. Here, nothing much going on, except we have some boards, recyclable. You want to see what we found? Oh, today is a big hunting day again. So we've been hunting for furniture. We have pretty much everything now. And more people coming. Steve came here. You know, I think we have pretty much everything, and maybe a little bit too much already. Little museum of history. So this is, I don't know, was it some food for animals or something? This is no IKEA. This will be for firewood or something. So many pieces of historical devices, like this one. Oh, this will be great. For children, this is going around. This is a torturing device. I cannot imagine no other function for it. Maybe only getting flat the surface of soil, but no, I think this was a Viking stuff. Okay, this is it for today. Something else, Anna? And here we are, LABIE KOKI, or Edgars Neilands AS. So follow us and Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. We will happily help you by organizing your garden, pruning your trees. This is all what we can. And we have a couple of carpenters fixing some terraces, pergolas, greenhouses, and a little bit your house. So we can help with this as well. Right, Anna?